I think Jermaine's any more impressive.
Look at you, Kate, and Mommy's taking a video. Look at you balancing on Daddy. Whoa, you gonna climb?
Walk up, Daddy.
Whoa.
Still.
Whoa. You gonna go up? Whoa, that's hard. Stand up on Daddy.
Okay, I got you. Don't worry.
Wiggling on Daddy.
What was that little?
I want you to stand up on Daddy's bum again, on his back, because you're such a good balancer and you're such a good climber now. Whoa, look at you. Wiggle a little bit, Daddy. Whoa. Oh, you were doing so good, Kaden.
Your daddy had to wiggle his bum and screw it all up.
Whoa. Whoa.